Today, I'll show you how to edit all slides at once in PowerPoint. If you've ever needed to make a consistent change across your entire presentation, like adjusting fonts or colors, this is the tutorial for you. Let's dive right in and simplify your editing process. First, we need to navigate to the View tab. You'll find this on the top ribbon menu of your PowerPoint interface. This tab is where you access different views and tools that help you manage your presentation structure and design. Once you're in the View tab, look for the Slide Master button. Click on it, and your screen will transform. At this point, you'll notice a change in your PowerPoint interface. The left-hand preview pane will now display a hierarchy of master layouts. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. This layout is crucial because it organizes your slide's design elements. What we need to do next is scroll to the very top of this left-hand thumbnail panel. You'll see a larger slide at the top, and this is usually labeled as Slide 1. This is what we call the parent master, and it's the key to editing all your slides at once. Go ahead and click on this topmost slide. By doing so, you're selecting the parent master, which controls the overall look for every slide in your presentation. Now, you can click inside the master, title, or body text boxes. Here's where you can change the font style, color, or size to suit your needs. Whether you want to switch to a different font, adjust the color scheme, or resize the text, this is the place to do it. These changes will automatically apply to all slides in your presentation, ensuring a uniform look throughout. Once you've made your desired changes, it's time to exit the Slide Master view. To do this, navigate back to the Slide Master tab at the top of your ribbon menu. You'll see a red button labeled Close Master View on the far right. Click on this, and you'll return to your normal slide view. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to edit all slides at once in PowerPoint. This method saves you time and ensures consistency across your presentation. Remember, using the Slide Master is a powerful way to maintain a professional and cohesive look in your slides. With this newfound skill, you can focus on creating impactful presentations without the hassle of individual slide edits. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.